I hit this issue today, then here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling to log into Snapchat Web, follow these steps to get back in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check your username and password for any typos. Sometimes it is easy to overlook a small mistake. Step 3. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the forgot password link to reset it. Follow the prompts to receive a reset link via email or SMS. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, all data can interfere with logging in. Clear your browser as cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it. Some services can block access to Snapchat Web. Remember, if you still can't log in after these steps, it might be worth checking Snapchat's official support for any ongoing issues. Good luck, and I hope you read back to snapping soon.